Hello guys, my name is Jalen Banks. Today I'm gonna teach you how to download this app, Infinity Play. Not Apple. There's actually three ways you can get it. Step one, go to Google Play Store, type in YouTube screen recorders, and you see all the YouTube screen recorders and stuff like that. I wanted this one, but it may take a little time. Blah blah. Or two, you can go on this thing called Nine Game. Alright, that's here. Maybe go here, and then you put in Infinity, baby. Wait, hold on. This is the wrong. Wait, this is the wrong one, guys. Sorry, I got myself confused. It's not Nine Game. It's called. Go on Google slash YouTube. Hold on. Screen. Recorder. So guys, oh wait a minute, I'm going to say, and then after that, you go right here, SoftOnix, go in the search bar, go in Infinity, and then go on it. I didn't even know they got Disney Infinity. Well, guys, I think the only way you can only get it is on Play Store, guys. Cause I remember I saw one in the SoftOnix. I remember they telling me it closes today. So sorry, guys. So the only way you can get it is on Google Play Store and it looks exactly like this. Or you can go on browser or Chrome and or you can go on Google Play Store and you can get it. You can get it. And describes everything and blah 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 and all that. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and hope this example works.